Hello everybody, I'm going to teach you how to set up your page in Microsoft Word for our assignment, making a flyer. So you'll need to go to your Start menu, click on the Start, and go to Microsoft Office Word. Click on that. I'm going to make it full screen. So right now we have it in the vertical view, so we want to change your page to landscape, which is horizontal. So you're going to go to File, click the down arrows here if you don't have it expanded, and right here where it says Page Setup, click on that. And here you are with Page Setup. Right here, Orientation, it says Portrait. And we don't want portrait, that's the vertical, so we're going to click on landscape. And everything looks good. I'm going to just click OK. And now you can see my paper is ready for making the flyer assignment. And if you need to know how to make insert a photo, then go to Insert Picture. And we'll go from File, and I am going to click on My Documents because I know I have some pictures. I'm going to insert one, and this will be my background for my flyer. So now that you know how to change your Microsoft Word page to landscape and how to insert a photo, you are one step closer to getting your projects done for our upcoming assignment. Thank you for watching.